Welcome to Stay Smart Adventures, and this is Disney's Boardwalk at Walt Disney World in Florida. This hotel opened in 1996 on Crescent Lake and is located in the Epcot Resort area between Epcot and Hollywood Studios. This resort is a tribute to turn-of-the-century boardwalks in cities like Atlantic City, New Jersey. In the lobby you have Lucy the Elephant, an iconic New Jersey landmark, and some vintage Atlantic City postcards. Currently, there are some refurbishment projects wrapping up at Boardwalk, spanning across the entire resort from rooms to shared areas and to projects happening on the boardwalk itself. I've stayed here during Christmas time, and although the property itself was beautiful, the rooms were in need of a refresh. During this visit, I was blown away. This room is a deluxe DVC Studio Villa with a standard view. DVC stands for Disney Vacation Club, which is Disney's vacation ownership timeshare program. Anyone can book a DVC villa subject to availability. But if you own DVC, this room is an incredible value for the points if you can get one. Here you have a fully stocked kitchenette and refrigerator. Around the corner is your bathroom. Locked off shower space, toilet and shower in the same room. This room features one queen bed, one queen Murphy bed pull down, and a single pull down. This room can sleep up to 5. Everything is brand new, the room was clean, it's quiet, and we had the best time staying in this resort area. Here's your single pull down. On the other side you have your Murphy bed. There's Goofy and Max enjoying the pool here at the boardwalk. There they are after a long day sleeping. And I'll give you a quick view of the standard room view. Normally view matters to me, but we weren't really in the room much. Coming down from the room, you'll be steps away from the Luna Park pool. This is my favorite Disney pool. It's carnival themed with a 200-foot long water slide. Additionally, there's a whirlpool spa, a kiddie splash area, and a full bar with sandwiches and snacks. If you want more quiet and leisure, you can experience the secondary pool, which is next to the community hall. The community hall serves as a clubhouse with various activities for the kids. This hotel has great activities and the boardwalk is fun, especially at night with entertainment. You can even walk to Disney's Fantasia Gardens miniature golf course. It's not the shortest walk, but a really fun miniature golf complex. You have many options in terms of restaurants. There are hotels and theme parks in walking distance. You have the Skyliner, boats, and buses to get you all around Walt Disney World, but there's plenty to do right at the boardwalk. This is an amazing resort. You are close to everything and there is no shortage of things to do. I am rating this hotel a must-go. By far one of my favorite places to visit and make memories. I hope you enjoyed this hotel tour. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.